Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about how to get the information about all the countries in the Google Sheet using SheetGPT add-in. Now imagine I have list of name of all the countries. If you see on my screen, these are name of the countries. Right on the top is India. It's my country. I come from India. And the other countries, Afghanistan, Albania, and so on. There are almost 190 plus countries across the world. Now, I am working on a project where I need to understand what is the major city, what is the currency, what is the calling code, what is the capital of that country, area square kilometer, ranking in the world of anything. I can get the information in this particular place. If you do not do this, you might have to go to Google, ask the answers. You might have to go to ChatGPT. You have to copy paste the answers from there. But here, Sheet GPT add-in is already available. You ask the question, it will give you the answers. So let's try to find out what is the major city, or I can say capital of that particular country. So I can write as GPT, what is the capital of, and I can close a bracket, select this particular cell, enter. So what is the capital of that particular country? And it says the capital is New Delhi, which is correct. I come from India. I know New Delhi is the capital of India. And if I scroll down or drag down, I'll be getting list of all the countries over here. Okay, the capital here. If I want to make it little dynamic, I can write here, let's say capital. So here I can write as equal to GPT. What is the, and select this particular cell where I have to give the currency or the dollar symbol, and then ampersand of ampersand, and I can select this particular cell. Here I need to put the dollar sign before this particular place, close the bracket. So now I'm assuming that you already know the Google Sheets and you can work on that. Now I can drag down. So this was about the capital. Here I can say area, then I can say population. Here I can say what is the currency. I can say calling code. Okay, since I've made the code little dynamic, so I can just drag it on the right hand side and I can drag it on the down, and let's see if I'm getting the answer or not. Superb, I am already getting the answers. Please have a look here. The text is little lengthy, but you can have a look on this. It gives me the output. So it says the total area of India is 3.287 million square kilometers, or 1.269 billion square. I think it's a good number. And for all the countries, it is giving me the data. If I scroll on the right hand side, it is giving me the population of that particular country. So you see the population of India is 1.366 billion people. If I go to this calling code, the country calling code for India is +91, Afghanistan +93, Albania it's 355, and so on. So these are all the data if I've got. Now trust me, GPT also gives you the answers, no problem about that. But you need to copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. But here I can just make it dynamic. I can ask one more question. So flag color. Okay. And if I just drag down, let's see what is the answer it is giving me. If I drag down, let's see, there are multiple colors in the flag, okay, of any country. It says the flag of India consists of three horizontal stripes of equal, which is giving the exact right answers. So this is very, very useful information. And a person who works with data day and night, whether it is a data analyst, whether it's a student or the entrepreneur or anyone, this will be really, really helpful for you. And you can grow with this added advantage of Sheet GPT. I hope you have understood how to get the information of a country using the Sheet GPT in Google Sheets. That's all for this video.